Good evening, fellow Tcash merchants, and welcome to our Tcash Soko online training session today. And the platform Tcash Soko app. This is where we say that digital biashara is the future of biashara. And indeed, digital biashara is the future of biashara because the world is headed to only one direction. The direction is north. The direction is artificial intelligence. Of course, uh, the future of technology is artificial intelligence. Our platform, the Tcash Soko platform, recognizes this and therefore has enabled AI in its operations. And of course, we stand a chance to benefit from integrating AI and of course digital tools in our biasharas because doing so brings efficiency, and efficiency means more money and means we're well prepared for the next generation of businesses, which is digital biashara. Let us journey together in our session today as we learn how to send money and withdraw cash. This session comes after a number of sessions in the course of the week. So we had 3 sessions on Monday and 2 more sessions today. These sessions are already posted on YouTube. In case you have not gotten a chance to watch them, kindly feel free to go to YouTube and watch so that you stand a chance to benefit together with us. And let us journey together and improve our businesses, improve the efficiency that there is you own by using the Tcash Soko platform. I'm sharing my screen. The side of the screen I'm sharing ni ile side ya biashara. Hapa ndio mimi natengenezea pesa. How do I make money? I make money by making sales. So ndio nitengeneze pesa, I'll have to sell. So I'll come make sales. Make a sale, as we saw in our previous 2 sessions, that is, make your first sale on Monday and today sell faster when it is busy. Tuliona there are 3 ways in which you can get paid. One of the ways ni by having your customer scan the Tcash Soko QR code. Tukasema that when your customer scans the Tcash Soko QR code, money is going to move from their Tcash wallet to your Tcash wallet. Then we also said that you can also be paid via cash. That means huyu customer amekuja na coins ama amekuja na notes na akakulipa nazo. So akisha kulipa na hiyo, you have the physical money. So hiyo money, hiyo pesa haiko kwa Tcash, wewe ndio umeihold, you have it there. Then there is the third option. Customer mwenye amekuja na M-Pesa. Tukasema that this customer can also use the M-Pesa USSD code, the *334# to pay you. Na akikulipa pesa itakuja kwa Tcash yako. So now the question that we are trying to address is, hii pesa yenye imekuja kwa Tcash, can I withdraw it? Can I send it? I remember one of my friends, when I introduced them to the app, aliniambia, na hii app, watu wakinilipa, hii pesa yangu nita access aje? So that is the question that we are trying to answer. Hiyo pesa yako yenye itakuwa kwa Tcash, how will you access it? So generally, the app has these 2 sides, the business side and the personal side. Kwa hii business side, itakuwa inakuonyesha the Tcash balance. At the very top, of course, the number of Rotary tickets you have, the performance today, and of course, the upcoming bookings, as you can see in the screen. My Tcash balance is 0. However, I want us to learn how, when it gets big numbers, iache kukaa 0. Nikipata other different numbers, for example, 1,000, 50,000, 100,000, naweza withdraw hiyo pesa aje ama naweza tuma hiyo pesa aje? Hii side ya business huwezi withdraw na huwezi tuma. Kwa nini? This is just a side for you to make money. So when you want to withdraw or send money, itabidi switch from the business side to the personal side. Una switchia wapi? In between, the circular icon that has the business logo, that I refer to as the business logo icon, yenye iko at the very top left hand side, and the notification bell on the right hand side at the very top, kuna two words, personal na business. Nikitaka kuswitch to the personal side, ndio nikatume pesa, nitaguza tu the word personal. It just takes a moment and I'm there. I'm on the personal side of the app. So on this side, this screen shows up. It has at the very top my profile picture. Then there is a notification bell, and in between, there is the word personal and the word business. I'm able to see the Tcash balance is still loading for here. The amount of money I've spent today is 0. Then the Rotary tickets ziko 16. The bookings are also 0. Of course, the bookings zinaonyesha hapa ni services zenye nimebook zinaonyesha they are just 0. Then of course, hapo chini kabisa you have the home, shop, scan, wallet, and transfer. However, before I go to transfer, I have to mention something about you as a business person mwenye ameshalipwa na Tcash na anataka withdraw pesa. For you to access your money, you must first complete something that we refer to as KYC. KYC nayo ni nini? We had a session on Monday on wallet balances and KYC. KYC tulisema inamaanisha know your customer. Know your customer iko wapi? Pale kwa hiyo icon iko na profile picture, nikiguza hapo, then this screen appears. Iko na jina yako na picha yako. Of course, the option of switching to business, the arrears code yenye tulisema ni kama bank account yako ya Tcash, and of course the KYC. KYC, the know your customer, must be complete for you to send money or withdraw money. Hapo kwanza lazima tuelewane. For you to send money or withdraw money, your KYC must be completed, just like mine. Unaona hata nikiguza KYC inaonyesha KYC accepted. Thank you for your submission. Your KYC identity verification is now completed and accepted. So any amount, hata kama ni 500,000, I can send or I can withdraw. So good. Then how can you send and how can you withdraw? Let me just go back to this personal side. Nikikwa hii personal side, hapa chini kabisa, there is the word home, shop, scan, wallet, transfer. For me to send money, nitakuja kwa transfer. For me to withdraw, nitakuja kwa transfer. So once you touch transfer, it has the two options, send money and withdraw cash. When you are sending money, I just want to be clear with you. Unaweza tuma pesa to any network. So it doesn't matter. Mtu akona Airtel, akona M-Pesa, akona Tcash, you can be able to send money to whichever network. Then withdraw cash, unaweza withdraw in either a Tcash agent or a KCB bank agent. Remember, Telkom Kenya imekuwa na Tcash. Tcash is their mobile money. The mobile money of Telkom Kenya is Tcash. So you can be able to withdraw money from the Tcash agents or from Kenya Commercial Bank agents across the country. In total, for both, there are over 40,000. So you have access to your money. You can be able to withdraw there. But okay, what is the procedure of doing so? Let's journey together and learn. I'll start with the send money. When I press the send money, of course, this screen shows up. I must know how much do I want to send. Nataka kutuma pesa ngapi. So assuming I just want to send something like, because my Tcash balance is 0, I'll just put a figure, something like 50. Then nitaenda kwa next. Nikienda kwa next, nitaweka recipient phone number. So lazima mwenye natumia akuwe na a certain phone number. So I'll just put my phone number. So I'll just put my phone number the way I've just put it there, and then niguze next. Nikienda next, of course, It is fetching the details of the phone number I've given. And of course, it is able to now show me the name of the person I want to send the money to, and of course, the transaction fee that is going to be associated with that transfer. Allow me to mention something. Okay, of course, this would fail. The name lookup failed. Please try again later or raise the amount. Okay. I'll go back to the transfer, send money. I'll just go to that option because there's something I still want to explain. Remember, my Cash balance is 0. So therefore, I'll have challenges here sending and withdrawing because sina pesa na withdraw, sina pesa na send. But I'll make sure that I get transact with people who have the Tcash. I'll introduce my customers to Tcash. Of course, when I introduce them to Tcash Soko, of course, they will be transacting with me and I'll have money to withdraw and money to send. So hapa kwa hii option ya send money, lazima ujue the amount unataka kutuma. So ukiweka the amount, for example, 1,000, unaenda next. Ukienda next, unaweka phone number yenye unataka kutumia. So phone number, if the phone number is that one yenye nataka kutumia pesa, then I'll press the next. Nikiguza next, inaanza kusearch ikitafuta jina ya huyo mtu. Huyo mtu anaitwa nani? So that now you are able to confirm whether that is the person you want to send. Na pia itakuonyesha like the fee for that transaction. Allow me to mention this. Ya kwamba, when you want to send money to another mobile network apart from the telecom network, there is a fee associated with that transaction. This fee is not something new. It's not something that has been brought by Tcash Soko. It is something that has always pre-existed. When you want to send money to any phone number, umekuwa ukichajiwa a very small manageable fee. That has not changed. That does not change. So bado utakuwa unachajiwa a small fee. So for transaction, there are tariffs. Those tariffs will just apply for sending money from one network to another network. So those tariffs and those and the cost generally will just remain there and the same. Then there is something else I just want to mention under the send money, that when you are sending money, because of this platform fee, huwezi kuwa na say 1,000 kwa Tcash na unaenda kutuma 1,000. You must know there is a platform fee associated with sending the 1,000. So therefore, kama unataka kutuma 1,000, ensure you have at least 1,000 and something. Have 1,000 and maybe 30, 1,020, so that the fee ya kutuma 1,000 ikatwa kwa hiyo 20. I hope I'm making sense. Like, you must ensure that the amount you're sending is smaller, slightly smaller than the balance you have on Tcash, so that you are able to afford the transaction fee ikatwe pale na bado umanage kutuma. The other thing that I'll talk about is the withdraw cash. So I talked about you can withdraw cash from the Tcash agent. These are the Telecom Kenya mobile money agents, or the KCB Kenya bank agents. So the Kenya Commercial Bank agents ni wengi kabisa. Similarly, the Tcash agents ni wengi kabisa. In total combined, both the Tcash and the KCB agents are over 40,000, slightly over 40,000. Working over 40,000, that shows you that you have access to your money, and you can access your money in almost all the corners of the country, in every city of this country, in every town of this country. So to withdraw cash, utakuwa unaguza hiyo option ya withdraw cash that is still under transfer on the personal side. Nikiguza withdraw cash, then of course I must know the amount. Lazima nijue nataka kutoa pesa ngapi. So again, hapa hauwezi toa pesa yote yenye uko nayo kwa Tcash. There is a service fee for the withdraw. So therefore, ile pesa una withdraw lazima ikuwe less than the amount that you have on Tcash. So for example, naweza sema nataka withdraw something like 1,000. And then of course, press next. But I know this is going to fail generally because my Tcash balance is not okay. So once I put the PIN, I'll verify. And of course, inaniambia ni confirm details, the withdraw amount is 1,000, then of course I'll proceed to generate code. Because I know it will not accept because I don't have that amount in my Tcash. But generally, what is supposed to happen ni itanigeneratea a code. Hiyo code ndio nitatumia withdraw pesa within a time span of 10 minutes. So the code inakuwa active for 10 minutes. I present that code to a Tcash agent, a KCB bank agent, watatumia hiyo code, wachukue the soft money from my Tcash wallet, and of course, wanipatie the cash amount that I wanted in notes or coins based on the kind of money I want to use. So it is very important for you to understand this, that you can access your money so long as you have completed your KYC. You can access your money in 3 different ways. The first way is by sending this money. Unaweza tuma hii pesa to whichever network you'd want. However, you must know that transacting to sending to another Tcash is cost-free, but sending to other networks lazima utalipa transaction fee. I hope that is clear. Lazima utalipa transaction fee. The transaction fee I've mentioned is not a new thing. It is something that has been there, but however, so the app is not introducing something, because this is something that has always been there. Imekwanga, that fee ya kutuma pesa. So it has always been there. It's not something new. You can also get to withdraw money. For you to withdraw money, you must ensure that you have a Tcash balance higher than what you would want to withdraw. And of course, because there is a transaction fee, transaction fee ya withdraw, I was getting a comment from someone that why is there a transaction fee when I'm withdrawing my money? Of course, we have been banking money even with banks and with other mobile networks. Ukienda withdraw, kuchange your pesa from soft copy to hard copy, of course, kuna kuanga na charge. The charge is usually very small in banks, very small in mobile money networks. Similarly, when you're withdrawing money from your Tcash wallet, the charge is equally small. So it's not a very huge charge. It's just a small charge based on the tariffs that are active at that given point. Yes, so that brings us to the end of our session today. Send money and withdraw cash. It is now clear to all of us as business people that the money we are making on the business side of the app can be withdrawn from the personal side of the app. So like nitaenda kwa business side, I sell, then nikikuja kwa personal side, then I can be able to withdraw that money, or I can be able to send that money. Do not forget the third access to your money that you will have. You can be able to use your money to pay for services, for goods and services, by tapping the word scan. So kama maybe, okay, I've seen this in my shop, so I'll just use this example. There is a lady who brings us packed lunch, wanatuletea packed lunch. So akienroll kwa Tcash, of which I'm encouraging her to do, nitakuwa na scan. I'll just be scanning so that it is cost free for me to pay, instead of paying using other channels where I have to pay a fee, and instead of giving her cash, I'll be buying by scanning the Soko QR code. So nitamwambia a setup, nimsaidia setup, and then I'll be scanning. So that because I'll be having some money on my Tcash. So that is one way. Unaweza scan. Ukiscan, you're able to access your money, the money in your Tcash wallet to buy goods and services. The other access you have ni wakati unaguza transfer. You can be able to send money to whichever mobile network, and you can be able to withdraw money from either a Tcash agent or a KCB bank agent. So that means that access to your money is not limited. You're still the boss. You still have your money. In case you have any question on send money and withdraw cash, kindly feel free to get back to me via the comment section below. I'll be responding to your questions as soon as I see them. Let us keep transacting. Let us keep selling using the Tcash Soko platform. Why? Because there are so many advantages. And imagine, even if you get paid via the Tcash wallet or via the external wallet, which is the M-Pesa, and money comes to your wallet, you can still access this money by either using it to pay for goods and services by scanning, or by, of course, sending and withdrawing that money. Have a great day. Have a successful Biashara day tomorrow, and see you during our next 3 sessions of the week. Thank you.